Good afternoon. Myself Dr. Amit Gupta, consultant physiotherapist and head Department of Physiotherapy CHPL, formerly known as Maya Hospital, Mohali. Our today's talk is on the role of physiotherapy during this COVID pandemic, where most of the people they are confined to their homes and fulfilling their job responsibilities. जैसा कि सब जानते हैं कि कोविड की वजह से जो रिस्ट्रिक्शंस लगाई गई हैं हमारे माननीय कोर्ट्स और सरकार द्वारा और गैदरिंग को रोका गया है, सो उस वजह से हम लोग मोस्टली घर पर ही अपने काम को पूरा कर रहे हैं। इस दौरान देखा गया है कि मस्कुलोस्केलेटल प्रॉब्लम्स, शरीर के कुछ अंगों का दर्द होना, especially cervical and lumbar is very common because most of the people they are using the gadgets like laptops, mobiles or whatsoever the things to fulfill their job demands. What happens exactly now? Most of the times you sit in the front of these gadgets like mobile or the laptops and spend your time continuous sitting. So exactly your muscles get adapted to that particular posture and get stiff. So what is the thing, how physiotherapy helps in this, how we can overcome from these problems, and what is the solution for this? Simply we have to make our system mobile. How? Don't sit in the front of these gadgets for a continuous long sitting hours. If you are sitting in a particular posture, you get an adapted posture for that, and the dynamic balance between your muscles get disturbed. So the muscle which is acting to maintain that posture and the counteracting muscle which is opposing that movement, they get influenced. For this thing, what we have to do is we have to incorporate some mobility. कुछ मूवमेंट्स को हमें करना चाहिए। जैसे सर्वाइकल के केस में देखा गया है, ज़्यादातर लोगों को सर्वाइकल का पेन होता है, अपर शोल्डर्स का पेन होता है, तो उस केस में यू कैन टेक अ पॉज, लाइक यू आर सिटिंग फॉर 1 hour, you can take a break of 10 to 15 minutes in between, do some mobility exercises for the spine like turning to the sides, turning your neck to the sides, then front and the back, chin to shoulder, rotating your neck both the sides, self stretching of your muscles both the sides. These sessions will help you in getting rid of that adaptive postural problems. Similarly, this is true in the case of lumbar. What happens exactly? Sitting continuously and bearing the weight on your lumbar spine stresses your lumbar lordosis, the lumbar spine. So your muscles get stiff and you feel pain on that. Firstly, you should be sitting with a comfortable position. Don't try to lean on your thorax, on your head. Normally what we used to do, सिर के सहारे लेट के बेड पे हम कुछ ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं, थोरैक्स के सहारे हम पीछे अपनी पीठ के सहारे लेट के ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं, जस्ट टू fulfill our job responsibilities, our demands. What happens exactly when we are straining or stressing a particular part? That part gets inflamed. So don't do such kind of things. Sit properly in a comfortable sitting position. Your arms should be resting on the table. Your laptop or your mobile should be in front. When you get tired, you get escaped from that particular position for a while. A break of 10 to 15 minutes, that is sufficient, and do some stretchings or the mobility exercises for that, turning around, lateral flexions, lateral turnings, and there are lot many things which can be incorporated in this viewpoint, and a physiotherapist can really help you in getting rid of such kind of things. So I would suggest that, as I have told you, to get rid of these problems by incorporating some mobility and the stretching exercises on your own. If you feel difficulty and any kind of confusion regarding this, we at the Department of Physiotherapy at CHPL Hospital, Mohali, welcome you for any of your queries, any of your doubts, for consultations and discussions in the Department of Physiotherapy. Thank you.